Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Today we continue our lecture on chapter Differentiation. Our subtopic is 9.4 Implicit Differentiation. Our learning outcome is at the end of the lesson, students should be able to solve the first and the second derivative implicitly. Okay, what is implicit function? Okay, let's say we have the equation y plus x plus 5 equal to 0. We know that we can easily obtain or express y equal negative x minus 5. So, it's called explicit function. But if we have the equation y to the power of 5 minus y equal to x, we know that y cannot be started as an explicit function of x or express y in terms of x. So, it's called implicit function. Okay, let me do some example. First derivative of implicit function. Okay, kita tengok perbezaan when we do derivative for variable x and variable y. Let's say for a, let's say we have d over dx for x square. We know that the derivative is, we get the answer is 2. The answer is 2x. Okay, how about if we to find derivative of y square with respect to x? Okay, that means we need to use chain rule. Okay, d over dy for the function y square times or multiple with dy over dx. Okay, and then we know that okay, d over dy y square we can get is 2y. Okay, and times dy over dx. Okay, the answer is 2y dy over dx by using chain rule. Okay, for b we have d over dx. Okay, exponent to the power of 3x. Okay, we respect to x, variable x and respect to x, and we know the answer is exponent 3x multiple with differentiate 3x, we get the 3, and then we simplify, we can write down as at 3 exponent 3x. Okay, for d over dx, exponent 3y. Okay, exponent 3y. Okay, we differentiate exponent 3y, we can get 3 exponent 3y, but we need to multiple with dy over dx because of the concept of chain rule. Okay, next, okay, d over dx ln x, we know that the answer is 1 over x. Okay, for d over dx ln y, okay, the derivative is 1 over y dot, okay, dy over dx. Jadi saya harap pelajar dapat membezakan apabila kita membezakan okay, respect to x and untuk variable x dan respect to x tapi bagi variable y. Okay, next, okay, for exercise 18, let's say we have find dy over dx in term of x and y if we have the equation is y to the power of 3 plus 6x equal to x square. Okay, for the solution is we need to d over dx both side. Okay, we need to write d over dx both side. Okay, that's why we get, okay, here we get d over dx y cube for the first term plus d over dx 6x for the second term equal d over dx x square. Okay, for the third term. Okay, we differentiate term by term. For first term, okay, class, be careful if you want to differentiate respect to x, but the variable is y. Okay, and then we get, okay, y cube. Okay, y cube, we can get the answer is 3y square. But don't forget to multiply with dy over dx. Okay, because of the variable y. And then plus, okay, for the second term, differentiate d over dx dx, we get the answer is 6 equal d over dx for x square. We get the answer is 2x. And then we bring down 6 to the right side. And we get the answer is 3y square dy over dx equal 2x minus 6. And the last we simplify. Dy over dx equal 2x minus 6 over 3y square. Okay. Okay, dy over dx equal to x minus 6 over 3y square. Okay, next for the question B. Let's say we have the equation 3y square plus 2y plus xy equal to x cubed. Okay, first step is we taking d over dx both side, or d over dx every term. Class, okay. Tapi sebelum tu kelas, pastikan selepas kita meletakkan d over dx, okay, pada setiap term, mungkin pelajar boleh kenal pasti, okay, ada term yang mungkin perlu, okay, kita differentiate secara method, iaitu secara product rule. Okay. Okay, kelas. Kita mula differentiate term by term, kelas. Okay. First term is d over dx 3y square. We get the answer is 3y square. We get the answer is 6y. And then we need to multiply dy over dx. Okay. Because of the respect to x. But we have a variable y. Okay. 6y dy over dx. Okay. This one is for the first term. Okay, next, to differentiate for the second term, okay, we get is, we have d over dx to y, okay, and then the answer is 2 dy over dx. Okay, and d over dx xy, we use the product rule, okay, u v prime plus v u prime, and then we get the answer is okay, class, x, okay, dy over dx plus y plus x, okay, x, and then we differentiate y, okay, or we get v prime plus y differentiate x, or this one is a u prime. Okay, and then for the fourth term, okay, d over dx x cube, okay, we can get the answer is 3x square. And then we simplify. Okay, 6y dy over dx plus 6y dy over dx. And then 2 dy over dx plus x dy over dx plus y equal 3x squared. And then we simplify, we can get 6y plus x plus 2. Okay, multiple with dy over dx equal 3x squared minus y. And then we simplify, we get the answer is dy over dx equal 3x squared minus y over 6y plus x plus 2. Okay, we have settled for question B. Okay, next, okay, let's say we have the equation ln for the third xy equal exponent to the power of x plus y. Okay, let's say we had the equation. Okay, for the equation ln, okay, kita boleh guna properties, okay, untuk memudahkan kita membuat pembezaan. Okay, jadi kat sini, okay, kita turunkan dia punya power untuk number ln tersebut. Okay, is 1 over 2 ln xy equal to exponent x plus y plus. And then we use the properties for ln is 1 over 2 ln x plus 1 over 2 ln y equal exponent to the power of x plus y. And then we taking d over dx both side. Okay, we get is 1 over 2 d over dx for ln x plus 1 over 2 d over dx ln y equal d over dx for x to the power of x plus y. Okay, now we differentiate term by term. Okay, for the first term is 1 over 2 and differentiate ln we get 1 over x plus, okay, 1 over 2 as a constant, and then differentiate ln y we get 1 over y. Okay, don't forget to multiply with dy over dx because the variable y, and then equal. Okay, how to differentiate exponent function is we write down as exponent to the power x plus y, and then multiply with d over dx. The power of exponent is x plus y. And then we simplify. Okay, for the right side we can get is exponent to the power of x plus y. Okay, multiply with, okay, this is a differentiate for x plus y. Differentiate x, we get the answer is 1 plus differentiate y is dy over dx. And then class, okay, we simplify. And then we get the answer is dy over dx equal exponent to the power of x plus y minus 1 over 2x over 1 over 2y minus exponent to the power of x plus y. Or we can write down as, okay, kita boleh tulis juga dalam sebutan yang lebih simple lagi, iaitu dy over dx equal y is 2x exponent x plus y minus 1 over x times 1 minus 2y exponent x plus y. Okay, This is the answer for question C, ln. Set for x plus y equal exponent to the power of x plus y. Okay, class, we go to the question 2. Okay, if y cube equal to 2 ln set x y cube for x greater than 0 and y greater than 0, find the value of dy dx when y equal to 1. Okay, soalan ni kita nak cari dy dx in term of value. Okay, dalam bentuk value lah. Okay, because the question is given when y equal to 1. Okay, first we need to differentiate to find dy over dx. Okay, tapi kita boleh guna properties untuk memudahkan kita differentiate. Okay. Okay, we have y cube equal to 2. Okay, ln set x plus ln y cube. Okay, and then we expand 2 ln set x plus 2 ln y cube. And then we simplify again. This one become ln x, okay, because of the power of 2. Plus 6 ln y, okay. This one saya nak tulis sebagai 6 ln y. Okay. Sama ada kita tulis sebagai 6 ln y or ln y to the power of 6. Okay, sama aja. And then we differentiate okay, both side. D over dx y cube equal d over dx ln x plus 6 d over dx ln y. Okay, class. Kita start differentiate term by term. Okay, first term y cube. Okay, sentiasa ingat kelas. Okay, kita respect to x. Okay, d over dx is mean respect to x. Okay, jadi bila kita differentiate y cube, okay, kita differentiate cara biasa dulu. Y cube kita akan dapat 3y square. Cuma kita kena darab dy over dx. Okay, then ln x. Okay, variable x, respect to x. Okay, jadi tak ada masalah. Okay, the answer is only 1 over x. Okay, plus okay, 6 as a constant. Write down the constant. D over dx ln y. Okay, d over dx ln y get 1 over y. But we need to multiply with dy over dx. Okay, because of the variable y. And then we simplify this one. Okay, we can get is 3y cube. Okay, class, minus 6 over y. Okay, kita jadikan numerator yang sama, kelas. Okay, dy over dx equal 1 over x. And then we simplify dy over dx equal y over x times 3y cube minus 6. Okay, dy over dx equal y over x times 3y cube minus 6. Okay. But, okay, tetapi kelas soalan hanya memberikan kelas y equal to 1. Okay, kita tiada value untuk nilai x. Okay, jadi kita kena cari dulu nilai bagi x. Di sini, when y equal to 1 And then, apakah nilai X kita? Okay, kelas. Jadi, kita substitute Y equal to 1 into the original, okay, equation. 1 cube equal to 2 ln X 1 cube. Okay. 2 ln X. And then simplify again. We get the answer is ln X equal to 1. Class, ln X equal to 1. Okay. And then taking exponent both side, we can get is X equal to E. Okay. X equal to E. Okay, class. Okay. We need to find the value of dy over dx. When y equal to 1 and x equal to E. We substitute into dy over dx. Y equal to 1 over E 3 times 1 cube minus 6. And then we simplify, we get the answer is negative 1 over 3E. Okay. dy over dx. Okay. dy over dx is equal negative 1 over 3E. Okey, jadi untuk soalan ini kena lebih berhati-hati. Okey, jika kita diberi nilai y sahaja, kita kena cari nilai x tersebut. Okay. Jika diberi nilai x sahaja, kita kena cari nilai y dahulu sebelum kita menggantikan dalam dy over dx. Okey, next class. Okay, we go to second derivative of implicit function. Okay, how to do second derivative for implicit function. Okay, we do exercise 19. Let's say we have the equation given that xy equal to sine 3x. Show that x d square y over dx square plus 2 dy over dx plus 9xy equal to 0. Okay, class. Okay, ini adalah soalan show, okay, ataupun soalan proven. Okay, jadi kita dah ada jawapan dah. Okay, cuma kita perlu lakukan, okay, differentiate, okay, untuk mendapatkan hasilnya seperti show tersebut. Okay. Okay, cuma dekat sini kelas, kalau kita perhatikan, okay, show that x d square y over dx square. Okay. Okay, kat sini memberi satu clue bahawa kita perlu melakukan, okay, sampai second derivative. Okay. Okay, kelas. Okay, first we do first derivative. Okay, we taking d over dx both side, class. Okay, d over dx xy, and then d over dx sine 3x. Okay, make sure we know xy. Okay, class, xy. Okay, we need to use product rule for xy. Okay, differentiate xy, we get the answer is x dy or d over dx for y plus y d over dx x. And then differentiate sine 3x, we get the answer is 3 cos 3x. Okay, 3 is a differentiate angle. Class, don't forget, is 3 is come from differentiate angle. Okay, and then differentiate for the left side, we get the answer is x dy over dx plus y equal to 3 cos 3x. And then, class, okay, we taking derivative, okay, second derivative, okay, for this equation. Okay, jadi yang ini pun kelas sebenarnya, okay, kita perlu menggunakan product rule, okay, apabila kita differentiate kali kedua, okay. And then is dx d over dx dy dx plus dy over dx d over dx for x plus d over dx y equal d over dx 3 cos 3x. Okay. Okay, this one we get, okay, x multiple with d over dx for dy dx. We get the answer is d square y over dx square plus dy over dx, okay, and then plus this one dy over dx. Okay, this one rujuk kepada third term, okay, second term class. Kamu confused ini. Okay. And then d over dx 3 cos 3x, we get the answer is 3 times negative 3 sin 3x. Okay, and then okay, sin 3x. Okay. Sin 3x is actually is equal to xy. Okay. And then we simplify, we get this x d square y over dx square plus 2 dy over dx plus 9xy. Okay. When we substitute sin 3x, ataupun kita tukar, okay, sin 3x as a xy. And then show. Okey, untuk soalan show ni kena bergantung kepada hasil show tersebut. Okey, adakah kita perlu tukar? Okey, bergantung kepada hasil jawapan kita. Okey. Okey, next class. Okey, for question 2 is the curve x cube plus y cube equal to kx plus 2y passes through the point 1, negative 1. Okay, the question A is determine the value of the constant k. We need to find the value for constant k. We know that class, okay, this is a xy, okay, xy. Coordinate for x and coordinate for y. Okay, to solution for A is we substitute, okay, the point 1, negative 1 into the equation. And then we know that, okay, 1 cube plus negative 1 cube equal to k1 plus 2 times negative 1. And then we get the answer is k equal to 2. Okay, k equal to 2. Okay. Jadi, kita punya equation is x cube plus y cube equal to 2x plus 2y. Okay, next for question B is find the value of dy over dx at the point 1, negative 1. Okay, maksud kita nak dapatkan dy dx kita, okay, dalam bentuk value, okay, bukan dalam bentuk equation. Tetapi kita kena cari equation dy dx dahulu sebelum kita mendapatkan dy dx kita in term of value. Okay, first class, okay, sama juga keadaan ini. Okay, kita taking d over dx both side class, okay. Okay, first term, okay, untuk kita differentiate x cube, okay, class, differentiate x cube, kita akan dapat 3x square. And then differentiate y cube. Okay, kita akan dapat, okay, we get the answer is 3y square and then multiple with dy over dx because of the variable y. Okay, differentiate 2x, we get the answer is 2. Differentiate 2y, we get the answer is 2 dy over dx. Okay, actually this one 2 saja kelas. Okay, 2 dy over dx. Okay, next. Okay, we simplify class. We simplify. Okay. 3y square. Okay, for the left side. 3y square. And then minus. Okay. Minus 2 dy over dx. Okay. And then ni saya factorizekan. Saya siap kat sini. 3y square minus 2 times dy over dx equal 2 minus 3x square. Okay, 2 minus 3x square. And then we get the dy over dx equation is 2 minus 3x square over 3y square minus 2. Okay, 3y square minus 2. And then when we want to find the value for dy dx, class, we substitute the point 1, negative 1 into dy over dx. Okay. And then we get the answer is negative 1. Okay. We get the answer for dy dx at the point 1, negative 1 is negative 1. Okay, we have settled for question B. Next, we go to the question C. Okay, the question C is we need to show that, okay, the equation is 3y square minus 2 times d squared y over dx square plus 6y, okay, dy over dx square plus 6x equal to 0. Okey, sama dengan sebelum ni kelas. Okey, kita kena lakukan sampai second derivative. Okey, proses kita sampai second derivative. Jadi kelas, okey, sama ada kamu boleh bermula daripada dy over dx, atau kita bermula daripada sebelum itu, jadi tak menjadi masalah, tetapi kadang-kadang pemilihan equation tersebut dia jadi memudahkan kita, untuk mendapatkan second derivative. Jadi di sini saya bukan mula daripada equation dy over dx, tapi saya mula daripada equation yang sebelum tu. Jadi kita mula daripada equation yang sebelum tu is 3y square minus 2 times dy over dx equal to minus 3x square. Kelas, kita kena taking d over dx sekali lagi untuk dapatkan second derivative. Jadi di sini berlaku product rule. Berlaku product rule di sini. Kelas, untuk hasil product rule tersebut is 3y square as u. Dan kita darabkan dengan v prime. V prime is d square y over dx square plus v, ini adalah v kita, is dy over dx, dan kita darabkan dengan kelas is u prime. Ini adalah u prime. How to differentiate 3y square minus 2? Actually we get answer is 6y dy over dx equal, differentiate 2 minus 3x squared, we get the answer is negative 6x only. And then we expand or simplify. Okay, we get the answer is 3y squared minus 2 d squared y over dx squared plus 6y times dy over dx bracket square equal to 6x. And then, okay, bring 6x to the left side. Okay, we get the answer is 3y squared minus 2 d squared y over dx squared plus 6y dy over dx squared plus 6 equal to 0. And then we can write as a should, because sebab kita dah dapatkan ungkapan ataupun equation yang sama seperti kehendak soalan. Okey, jadi kita dah selesai untuk subtopik 9.4 is implicit differentiation. Jadi untuk secara rumusannya kelas, okay, jadi untuk kaedah pembezaan secara implisit, okay, student perlu berhati-hati, okay, sebab kebanyakan soalan, okay, kita respect, okay, terhadap x, okay. Jadi kalau variable kita adalah y class, okay, kita jangan lupa darab, okay, differentiate cara biasa, cuma kita kena darab dengan dy over dx. Okay, itu sahaja untuk kuliah kita hari ini. Sekian, terima kasih.